You're watching KC Imageworks.
Hi all, before I get onto the fan video, I just want to say a massive thank you to Kat for sending me these videos. She's a season ticket holder at Wrexham with her son. They both were on the pitch and they both had a brilliant time by the looks of it. I followed this right from the start this season, ever since watching Welcome to Wrexham last season. I got really into the programme, loved it, loved the way that Ryan Reynolds and Rob McElhenney have taken over the club. Got the fans on side, and everything just seems to be coming together now at Wrexham. Made up that they've got promoted, and you know what, I can't wait to see them in the Football League next year. I'll be following them all the way along as well. So well done to Wrexham, well done to all the fans, and I hope you all have a great time. So once again, thank you to Kat for sending me these videos. Everyone just enjoy what she's recorded. Thank you for watching.